What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, we are in Kissimmee, Florida, and this is a double date. We have myself and my husband's sister, and her fiance. And we are just going to enjoy ourselves, check out some of the views, these beautiful lights, and we're going to a place called the Sugar Factory. So comment below if you've ever been there, and stay tuned. All right, so I stepped back in here just to let you guys know that this place has been visited by lots of celebrities. As you can see, this is part of their menu, and there are a lot of celebrities who you may or may not notice who they are, but a lot of these celebrities have come to different locations of the Sugar Factory. I've gotten their picture taken, enjoyed some of the cool drinks and the food on the menu. So that's what we're doing. We're just going around the menu to see some of the celebrities, which I thought was really cool. So check this out. And then here soon we'll show you guys our food and our drinks. And just to let you guys know, this was really more like an experience. This was a lot of energy. There was just a lot of energy in the building. Anytime someone was celebrating a birthday or anniversary or just anything like that, everybody was able to pick their own song. And so the staff would come out and they would sing and clap their hands. And it was just a party, and just on different levels every time somebody would have a song that they picked to enjoy their celebration. Okay, so here is one of the drinks that we were able to enjoy. It's really cool how they make it fog up. I'm not sure what it is that's causing it to do this, but I thought it was really cool. It's one of their specialty drinks. And right next to us, you'll see here in a moment that there was a celebration. There was a little boy who had a birthday. So this is an example of the energy that went on in there. A lot of the music that they played had copyrights, so I definitely had to mute the sound. But anywho, so here's my food. I had chicken and waffles. It was absolutely amazing. Definitely would get that again. This is some type of pasta, and of course fries. And then here's another drink right here that I thought was really cool, a little bit different than the other one. I will say that the candy got a little bit hard, just because the liquid is really cold. So anytime you put soft candy into something cold, it will make it hard. But other than that, it was really good. I definitely appreciate the experience of it all. All right, so here we're just walking through the restaurant, and on the other side of it, there's actually a candy shop. So, as you can see, there's lots of different candy you can pick from: cotton candy, hard candy, soft candy. This is definitely the Sugar Factory. I mean, it's a lot of sweet stuff in here. There's more celebrity pictures up there at the top, and just a lot of cool little things that you can buy for souvenirs. I think those glasses that we were drinking out of were like $30. So, just things that you can get that you can take home, little keepsakes and things like that. But I really enjoyed this restaurant. It was really awesome. I think that it's a great place to go for children and adults, actually. There was a great mixed crowd of people there, lots of good food and drinks. So, highly recommend it. Definitely interested to see if you have ever been to the Sugar Factory. So, don't forget to comment below and let me know your experience as well. So stay tuned. I want to play some music and go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Please stay tuned to the end of this vlog. Thank you.